Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up proxy with GeeLark. Once you have downloaded the browser, in the Profiles section, click the New Profile button in the top right corner. Here you can give a name to the profile. For me, it's ProxyEmpire. Scroll to the Proxy Settings section and select Custom. Then click on the proxy type and make sure to choose either HTTP, HTTPS or SOCKS 5. We support all of them. Now go to your ProxyEmpire account and choose a country. I will select the United Kingdom, city, London. You can choose also region and ICP based on your needs. Copy the host and paste it. Then copy the port and paste it to the right. Copy the username and paste it. Note that it includes UK London because that's what we selected. Then copy the password and paste it too. Now find a button Check Proxy and click. If you see your new IP address, we see UK London. That's a good sign. Click Create. And now press the Start button. Done. After downloading, you will be able to log in into your Google account, social networks, and use the browser as you see fit. Good luck, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for your attention.